You are scrolling through your social media feed and a flashy ad catches your eye. It shows a budget-friendly car camera that promises crystal clear video and total security for your vehicle. Then you do a quick search and find the exact same brand name listed on a completely different website selling heavy-duty welding equipment. That is a massive red flag that should make any savvy shopper stop in their tracks. When a product lacks a clear identity, it usually means it is a generic, mass-produced item with a random label slapped on the box. This is the world of the mystery dash cam. These devices are everywhere right now, especially on trending shopping apps and viral ads. They promise high-definition recording and advanced features like impact detection. But the truth is often a bit more disappointing. If you dig into the specs, you will see things like loop recording and motion sensing. These sound impressive, but they are actually the bare minimum requirements for any camera made in the last 10 years. There is nothing special about them. The real problem lies in the quality of the internal parts. Many of these generic brands use cheap sensors that struggle to capture detail. On the box, it might say it records in high definition. In reality, the image is often stretched and grainy. If you are driving at night, the footage might be almost useless. You will see headlights and shadows but no license plates. If you already bought one of these units, you might as well try to make the most of it. Start by mounting it high on your windshield, ideally tucked behind the rearview mirror. This keeps your field of vision clear while giving the lens a wide view of the road. You must use a high-speed memory card. If you go with a cheaper, slower card, the device will likely freeze or skip frames. Always format the card through the camera menu before your first drive. These units are rarely wireless. You will need to route the power cable down to your car's charging port. Once it is powered up, the camera should start recording the moment you turn the key. Take a few minutes to dive into the settings. Ensure the date and time are accurate. A wrong timestamp can make your evidence useless in a legal dispute. Enable the loop recording feature so the device automatically replaces the oldest files when the storage is full. If you do not do this, the camera will just stop recording once the card hits its limit. You should also test the impact sensor. If it is too sensitive, every tiny pothole will lock a file and fill up your card. If it is not sensitive enough, it won't save the footage when you actually need it. The build quality of these generic units is often hit or miss. They might work fine for a month or two, but they rarely survive the intense heat of a car parked in the sun. If you want a device that lasts for years, you are better off looking at established brands that specialize in imaging. Saving $30 now might cost you hundreds later if the camera fails during an accident. It is not necessarily a total scam, but you get exactly what you pay for. Reliability is the most important feature of any safety device, and that is exactly what these mystery brands lack. Stick to the names you know and avoid the hype.